Hello everyone, we're gonna take this rubber band and then we're gonna start by joining a braid with another braid and rolling it out into a bun. Next, dividing our hair into two parts, making some ponytails at the front at one side, joining it to the big ponytail at one side, and then adding this red ribbon into the pony. Then taking that, we are going to make a braid, then folding it out into a round shape bun like this, taking the remaining hair and then making two braids from it. Next, we're going to grab one side and then making some braids by using these colorful threads, and to the another side we're going to make a ponytail and joining the braids to the pony, folding the ponytail into bun. Next, we're going to take two ponies at two sides and three ponies at the bottom, joining the three together and joining them to the ponytails. Therefore, converting the ponytails into simple round shape bun and applying these fluffy rubber bands. Next, we're going to take a ponytail by taking some hair at the back and then we're going to fold it once with the help of this tool. Then we are going to divide it into two braids and making this beautiful heart at the back. Then we're going to open the rest of the braid and then taking some hair, dividing them into two ponies. Next, we're going to start by taking a high ponytail and then adding this ribbon into our hair. With the help of this ribbon, we are going to make two braids like this and then securing them with rubber band. When the braids are ready, we are going to twist them together and then folding them. Next, we are going to take a high ponytail and then by using this tool, we are going to fold it into a round shape bun and applying some rubber bands. Next, we're going to grab all of the hair together and then making this high ponytail, dividing it into three parts and applying rubber bands. Then we're going to make some space between them and folding them once like this. After it is ready, we are going to take them and apply a final rubber band. Then we are going to take the remaining and just wrapping it all over the hairstyle and completing the hairstyle by making this beautiful bun. And it's ready.